My name's Darren Deloach. We're in Bradenton, Florida right now. This is currently 6 days past the storm. Hit pretty bad around 7 o'clock. I had several large impact sounds all throughout my roof. Pictures that are hanging on my wall from the wind going through the house got blown off from inside through the block. Whole entire street's completely inaccessible. Could not leave. Transformers exploded. Fire damage on a couple places. It's probably one of the worst ones I've been through, having been born and raised in this area for 40 years now. I filed my claim online, literally from my phone, obviously because no power. It was probably the easiest thing I've had to do in terms of filing any of the claims. I'm just ticking the boxes that they asked me to do. And it's perfect. It was just like, did you have damage? Do you need tree removal services? And it's just yes. And by the end of the day, I'd already talked to somebody. And 2 days later, I had roofers out here. Everyone has been great. They've been setting up everyone for me. I haven't had to call and try to schedule out a roofer. I didn't have to call and schedule out repairs. They just said, no, we'll deal with it. And I get a call from someone else saying, hey, we're coming out to look at this for you. When millions of people are down and having the same problem is a lifesaver, because trying to call even the people that you might know locally in your area, they're not going to have power. They're not going to have the ability to even respond to you or see you or get to you for your roof. I wouldn't use anyone else, honestly. Having had other people in the past from other areas where they weren't available, it's been a life-changing experience in terms of insurance.